Want to order like a local at a Spanish cafe? Today, we will show you how to have a real conversation in Spanish when you're at a cafe in Spain, from greetings to placing your order and enjoying your meal. Vamos! First, let's greet the waiter. It's essential to start your conversation on a friendly note. Hola, buenas tardes. Once you're in the cafe, you might need a table. How do I ask for one? Check it out. Hola, perdona, ¿tienen mesa? ¿Esta mesa está libre? Now let's try some food and drinks. One of the most important parts of the cafe experience in Spain is trying local food and drinks. Hola, buenas.
Hola.
Quiero un café con leche y una tortilla, por favor. Now, let's talk about a couple Spanish dishes you should try. For example, tortilla de patata, jamón ibérico, patatas bravas, or gazpacho. Also, make sure you ask the waiter for recommendations. Want to sound like a local while ordering in Spanish? Sign up for classes at Camino Barcelona. Once the food arrives, it's time to express your satisfaction. Here's how to do it in Spanish. Está delicioso. Qué bueno. Or qué rico. After finishing, you'll want to thank the waiter and leave the cafe. Here's how to do it.
¿Todo bien?
Sí, todo está buenísimo, gracias. ¿La cuenta, por favor? A friendly goodbye is always appreciated. And remember to leave a tip if the service was good. Adiós, gracias. Now you know how to have a complete conversation in Spanish at a cafe in Spain. From greetings to ordering and leaving a tip, you'll feel more confident next time you visit a cafe. Hasta luego!